running. Come on in. We do this one with you in here already. Just, I know, duck down. Way down. Way down. Like under the table. Hello! And welcome to another episode of That's Why We Have Hot Dogs in the Freezer. This is going to be a weird one because we're going to do a bacon wrapped Oreo. I've seen this all over the internet and they smoke them. We're not going to smoke them. We're going to put them in the oven. Of course, I have my helper. Ta-da! Okay, so you want to open up the Oreos for me, please? Let's rearrange some things here. What we'll do, let me see. How much do we want to waste the Oreos? Let's go 12. We need 12.
You want them on here?
You can just stack them there for now. That'll be your work area. 4, 5, 6. So the instructions that I've seen say that you are supposed to take your Oreo and just loosely wrap it
11, 12.
with your chilled bacon. Well, this is chilled bacon. Oops. The kitty almost got himself a little snack. We're going to take the Oreo and lay it like that, and then just loosely do that. Okay?
And just put it down.
Go for it. I mean, I don't know about this one, folks. You can find anything on the internet. From what I understand, this was one of Abe Lincoln's favorite snacks.
Who?
Abe Lincoln. He used to make these in his microwave.
Okay.
Yeah. Says so on the internet. Must be true.
Has to be true.
We know the internet doesn't lie.
Nope.
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully we're not just wasting Oreos. Let's see. Just so we don't get a collection of bacon grease where we don't want it. Now, the other thing it says on the instructions, it's a little too loose. The other thing it says is barbecue rub, and you're supposed to just do that. Well, this is some of my basic rub I did a video on a while back. So this is mine. I didn't go out and buy a rub. The only thing I went out and bought was the bacon and the Oreos. Now let's make sure that the pieces are actually crossed underneath them so that when they cook, they seal. If there's one that looks a little loose, just double check it.
This rub smells good.
Yeah. You could use this for deodorant, just sort of. Along with the bacon grease, because hey, everything's better with bacon. Alright, so we're going to put these in a 450 degree oven for about 20 minutes. So we'll be back. You hang in there. So I'm sitting here at the kitchen table editing a video, and I realized that I turned the audio off from the second half. Well, there is a certain thing they call in video editing, it's called automatic dialogue replacement, where basically whatever you saw in the movies, that wasn't the sound when they made the movie. They come back later and make the sound. So we're going to try to do that. I'm not sure if we're going to be very good at it. So here we go. We're going to try. And we're back. And this looks like something I don't know. The bacon is really crispy around these, and it looks like maybe it might have deformed the cookie a little bit, but it's kind of odd looking. So what do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to try one?
Yeah.
Okay. You go ahead. You go try one.
Looks hot. That's hot.
Yeah, they are a little warm.
Hot.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. A little bit warm. Yeah. Okay. You blow. There. Pretty warm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, he's doing
Ow.
it.
Mm.
That's hot.
I don't know if I like that.
That's super hot.
It's, you really can't taste the bacon. It's almost like coconutty with a little bit of grit thrown in.
It's so hot.
Just bite the whole thing. Just go ahead.
Hot,
Don't.
hot, 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 hot.
I don't know if I like
Hot.
that or not. I don't know. I don't know.
Nom, 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 nom. What?
So, what do you think? Do you like it? Well,
Nom, 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 nom.
what did you say?
No clue. It's warm.
Yeah, we should probably script this stuff.
Maybe just a little bit.
Yeah. So,
It's hot at the
so,
bottom.
so does it help if you break them in half?
Very hot.
Yeah.
Wow.
Not sure what I said there, but it sure was interesting because I had cookie in my mouth. Yeah, okay. Well, maybe we can give these away to people later. Okay. Well, that's been Bacon Wrapped Oreos. And that's why we have hot dogs in the freezer. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like and subscribe by hitting my little face over there. And we'll see you next time. Bye.